Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how we can convert an image to text or extract the text from an image by using simple methods without using any complicated tools online. So let's get started. We can do this by using one of the two methods, which is either by using it on Microsoft Word or by doing it on Microsoft OneNote. Do watch the video till the end in order to understand the pros and cons of the two methods so that you can decide which one to use for your use case. Both Microsoft Word and Microsoft OneNote use a technique called as OCR, optical character recognition, to convert an image which consists of text into text. So let's go ahead and see how that's done. In order to do this, I've already pasted an image which consists of some content onto my Microsoft Word document, and you will notice over here that this text consists of a table-like structure and it also consists of some additional formatting. So this is something you will need to note here. Another thing to keep in mind is that you will have to remove any other text that is present on the document in order to be able to do this. So go ahead and remove any other text and just leave the image alone on the document, because Microsoft Word may not be able to convert the image into text if there is any other text present on it. Once you've removed all the text on the document and it's just the image that's present, now you can click on File and click on Save As and browse a location and save it. I want to save it in my desktop and just give it a name, and you will have to now save it as a PDF. This is an important step to note here. So click on PDF in the drop downs which says Save As Type and click on Save. Once your document has been saved, you can minimize your Word document and go to your location where you have saved it. Now right click on the PDF document that you have saved and you will see something called as Open With. Within the Open With, you will see multiple options. So if you do not see Microsoft Word over here, just click on Choose Another App. If you scroll down somewhere over here, you will find Microsoft Word as an option. So click on Word and click on Just Once, because this is the only time that I wanted to open a PDF as a Word document. So click on Just Once, and you will now notice that Microsoft Word gives you a dialog box which says that Microsoft is trying to convert your PDF into an editable Word document. It may not exactly look the same, but it is going to convert it to the best possible extent to make it in an editable format. So all you have to do is just click on OK, and it may take a few seconds to load. Now you will notice that whatever was an image has now gotten converted into text, including the table as well, because there was a table like structure over there, and that also has been converted into a table over here, and it's plain text and not an image anymore. So this is how you do it in Microsoft Word. The pros of doing it on Microsoft Word are that it doesn't just extract the text, but it also extracts a large part of the formatting or any of the layout that is present along with the text inside of the image. So if there's any table like structure or any other additional formatting, then Microsoft Word also tries to retain that while converting the image to a text. Coming to the cons, the steps are a little longer. However, it becomes more beneficial if you have some kind of formatting that is there on your image. We will now go ahead and see how this can be done on Microsoft OneNote. In order to do it, firstly place your image. Now this is in the form of an image, and now right click on the image and you'll see an option which says copy text from picture. All you have to do is just click on it, and now the text from this image has already been copied to the clipboard of your desktop. So you can place your cursor anywhere, either on OneNote or go to Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, and you can paste it anywhere by either right click and select paste or doing Control V on your keyboard. I'm just clicking on Control V. Now you will notice one thing, that it has been able to extract the text from my image, but the problem is that Microsoft OneNote cannot retain formatting and layouts. So whatever was present in the form of a table has been removed and extracted as plain text. So that becomes one of the cons with doing this using Microsoft OneNote. Although the advantage of doing it on Microsoft OneNote is that the steps are very simple, because all you have to do is right click and click on one button over here. But the cons of using Microsoft OneNote for doing this is that if there is any layout or formatting to your text, then OneNote is not very good with retaining the layout or formatting. So in that case, it becomes more beneficial for you to go ahead and do the same thing using the Microsoft Word approach. However, if your image just consists of a lot of plain text and it doesn't really consist of any formatting or any kind of layout like tables, then it would still be very beneficial to do it on OneNote, because it is a lot simpler to do it over here and it's just a one-step process. The last thing to note is that these two steps can also be used with handwritten notes as well, and OneNote does a better job with recognizing handwritten notes than Microsoft Word. They might not do the most accurate job with handwritten notes, but it will still do a major part of the task for you, and you can just proofread it and verify it once again. So this is how you can quickly use either Microsoft Word or Microsoft OneNote to convert your image to a text. So do give it a try and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and I will definitely try and help you out. Until then, thank you so much for watching everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.